Hello, everyone. Today, I want to introduce you to our Wikipedia Assistant Flow, powered by the Retrieval Interleaved Generator (RIG) method. You can find this template in the Flow library by selecting the Wikipedia Assistant option. This flow ensures you get accurate and well-sourced answers by pulling information directly from reliable sources like Wikipedia. Whether you're conducting research, writing content, or looking for trustworthy information, this assistant delivers grounded, credible responses with transparency. Here's how it works. Simply ask a question or provide a topic you want to explore. The assistant retrieves relevant sections from Wikipedia, interleaves them for better context, and generates precise answers tailored to your query. It even specifies the exact sections and sources used, so you can verify the information and dive deeper if needed. Perfect for researchers, content creators, or anyone seeking reliable insights. You can keep the conversation going, refining your queries until you have exactly what you need. For more details on how to build this flow, check out the video linked in the description. Thanks for watching.